2 DNA tests was done with me, the mother, and the child, and 2 of them came back negative. So
the grandfather is here now, so why you don't carry the child to the grandfather and do it again? Because in the first place, is the grandfather request it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You are the
Father!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, you'll see Shorty come and clear the air about the DNA with her grandchild, or the one that we thought was a jacket for her son. Also, Shawn Storm's first performance in 13 years. He also goes to Kartel in Panama, flexing around with the mayor of Panama, and him addressing the sold out concert tickets. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. But before we move forward, make sure you like this video. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. So let's get into the video. Now, as you guys may have seen or heard, the tickets for Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street was sold out immediately, almost 2 hours after it was gone on sale on the website on the 31st of August. Within 2 hours, the site crashed, and both Scatter, Joe, and Vybz Kartel came out and apologized. All of the ticket them gone, but he did mention that a tier 2 will be available for us, for people who hadn't gotten the chance to purchase. He addressed the site being crashed, and this is what he had to say. Take a listen.
Gaza Nation, I'm sad to report and happy to report at the same time that all the tier 1 tickets are sold out online. I mean, in less than 8 hours. That goes to show Gaza Nation great powers. But look out, tier 2 tickets coming online soon. Down or I'm out.
Yeah man, that is it. As you can see, the Gaza was out and about in Panama, all over the place with the mayor and in fans them and in son and in fiancé. So take a look.
Not paying a parking and Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel? Yes. Joe Mike. Put the buy. If you out this bad man, you're seen. Can you see? There's a side of the passage. Oh. Fever. Fire punani. I'm see me baby. Everything Chris.
Pegarle estas zapatillas a Vybz Kartel.
My foot is big, you know. Yes. Yes.
Gave mine.
Best sneakers.
Somebody get nice, not nice. Get the white, the red, the
No Jordan, it's a bit interesting. No? Oh. Remember that.
Por primera vez voy a estar de pasajero en el Cybertruck porque hoy tengo un conductor. Hi Vybz, wagwan.
Wagwan, Mr. Mayor.
You ready for a drive of the Cybertruck?
For the first time.
All right. We have to take this to Jamaica. A different level here. No, this is not Jamaica. On your left hand side, your seatbelt there. You used to driving on this side.
Yeah.
En Jamaica se maneja de este lado.
Yeah, I was thinking this is about the side you put.
All right, so you press on the brake, right?
Yeah, I'm on the brake.
And this is how you put drive. Boom, you're in drive. That's it.
Wow.
No. That's it. And then reverse.
Yeah. Pull it down.
Boom. Interesting, eh?
Yes, man. Real cyber business.
Alright, so last night we see Shawn Storm finally perform after 13 years, and apparently a member of the Gaza gang and him link up. As you can see in the picture here, this is popcorn, so everybody who did wonder if there was any beef between them, this picture should clear that up. But this was his performance last night. Take a look.
Alright, we're in the union for loyalty. Never sit up, never sit
Shelly and Karan had brought Likkle Addi's baby mother at the time on her show to do a DNA test, claiming that Shorty tampered with the DNA results. So this is what happened, and I'm going to show you what Likkle Addi said in response to that, and also what Shorty had to say about that same result. Take a look.
For those who are just watching it for the first time and may have missed it, Chyna was to do a DNA test for Likkle Addi, and somehow Shorty did something, or Chyna is disputing the DNA results, right? And it caused a whirlwind of controversy. But you did send me the picture of,
yes,
we're gonna put up our son right now, dead stampa Shorty. But anyway, Auntie Shelly, we don't really we're not gonna do anything. Chyna has agreed to do a DNA test, and yes, we kept you had some of the brushes,
yes,
comb,
yes,
and we did the DNA test. Yes. Are you ready for the test?
yes.
Are you ready if it's not the baby?
I know if it's not, it is.
You're sure?
100%.
All right. All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Put up Likkle Addi for me, please. Likkle Addi, when it comes to the baby of Chyna, we don't want to call out the name.
Akil.
Palmer. Akil Palmer.
You are the
father. How do you feel?
I not feel no way, I know.
You did know?
I know.
Well, what difference does it make now?
So obviously Likkle Addi saw the interview, and he responded to both Chyna and Shelly and Karan, and this is what he had to say.
Likkle Addi with a message for Shellyan and Chyna Dolly, who is his alleged baby mother.
Remember some father used to fuck you, and your husband find out and kick you out of him house and him life, and from that you carry feelings. But 2 DNA tests was done with me, the mother, and the child, and 2 of them came back negative. So you can come off our name now. End of message.
So apparently people still bring up that interview, and Shorty finally come out after years of accusation to clear the air. She said she wasn't even the one that requested a DNA. And for those who are still in doubt, she said, well, go ask the grandfather, which the grandfather is Vybz Kartel. So she basically not take the blame no more. But if you haven't liked the video yet, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like, subscribe, and share. Take a listen to this.
Oh, do the DNA and pay for do the DNA, them can't hold no argument to the person. But you know what come for me. I soon you know come on crosses. Uno crosses, and uno feel like uno can bet me talk things. None of uno can draw me out. Uno go do the right thing. Uno go do the right thing now. And the right thing uno forgot do. Uno walk and open too much like book. Yeah, me didn't want to answer that one thing there. Sorry, but me didn't want to answer that one thing there. The one thing them didn't want to answer. And then again uno claim say it tamper with, okay. The grandfather is here now, so why you don't carry the child to the grandfather and do it again? Because in the first place, is the grandfather request it. So we run with that now, no? We run with that now. I mean, I have nothing more to say. We run with that now. But no, you can't go about that. I mean, you know, I come about the blood of Jesus against you. We got my 3 sons, them and my 2 grandparents, they were sure about. Remember my money was spent do nothing. Remember me never do nothing. And me a beer name. No go on no man on the crosses. Them still upon me all long and right now. Okay then no claim say it tamper with. Obviously the grandfather is here now, so carry the child go on to him, no like when him a love up next to. Him a love up next to them daily. So carry him go on. Damn. I remember to come with this thing, one thing over, and then keep on a type it, and then the same person a type it. So the same person, you get the answer now, so you can stop now. And the same person keep on a type it. So go on with it now, no run, go on somewhere else now, no. Whenever I just a beer name for something you not even do, yeah, me stop beer it now. Go on with it somewhere else and I crosses, man. Go beard. What's up? What's up, guys? No, I'm not argue with nobody. I'm not cuss nobody. But at the end of the day, we're there and we attack the same person. Keep on type it. Them get black. I'm sister them get black. The Mickey's and come back with the same page, with a different page. So obviously you want to continue it. So don't continue it right here, so continue it somewhere else. I wanna look for one and get it from me, so una try everything. Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. I'm gonna shall ever say big up my 2 grandkids them when I'm sure about. Alright. I'm gonna go somewhere else now. Exactly. It's them fool like what? No one know something like that for tamper with. No, the other set of people I got in a trouble with the company. I'm not private my picture, please, none of them. And you go on somewhere else with it now. Cause un so sure and yes still un not see nobody have up the pitney. I'm not even cuss the innocent baby neither to call baby. But if un so sure, why nobody don't have up the baby? Hello? Hello? You're too fucking fool and done, so. You're gonna do this over and over, okay? The place too, where it do, them have social media too, and they must know everything and hear everything. Why you don't go up there and tell people them say, okay, then they tamper with and then you take it from this, so. You're fucking asshole, you know. I'm gonna put it up here, guys. Back to regular programming.
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.